Hello guys, welcome back. I have my voice back finally again, and we are playing bazou. It looks like, I don't know, so basically we are in Canada, Eastern Canada, French, and we do Canadian things. So, looks like we can change our shirt to colors and stuff. But I'm in this room, so it looks like we have stuff and this. But I think the whole point of the game is we have this car right here, and we're supposed to rebuild it from scratch into a not rusty car, I guess. Like, yeah, okay. So, anyways, this shed should have what we need, and uh, yeah, we need a wheel first of all, and then we're gonna just screw that on. But there's also checklists like that stuff. So I could take my wrench or spanner and grab a bolt and screw it in. Sorry, it's been a while since I uploaded. I've been figuring out this whole voice thing. But there we go, and that is one full tire. So I do think we need to check to see if make sure everything else is tightened on my car so my wheels don't fall off. And that is another item off the to-do list. Oh, what? Oh, what? A school bus. Well, that's weird. I think this big concrete area right here can be a garage one day, so that'll be very interesting. Also, we have an ATV over here. Go ahead, and I think we need to pop this hood, so there should be a hood latch around here. And pop it open, the little hook thing there. Put the intake on, OEM. It's a pretty older one, you can tell, with dusty, messy. I gotta take a wrench and grab up some bolts, and we're gonna go screw it in. Like this. Alright, there we go. Oh, and this too, it's a buggy tubes. Oh yeah, there's a buggy over here. We gotta fix it. You gotta have the parts, so it shows it somewhere. Oh, buggy parts 1 out of 6 installed. So we gotta find 6 more parts to the buggy until we get it to work. So chainsaw, dirt shovel, torch. All right, let's go ahead and take it. First, close the hood. Take it off the jack stand. And set these right here. And right there. And now we can see. It does look like the tires are kind of flat. Might need to go get something to fill it up. Also, I do think we could do logging to get wood and chop it here to sell it somewhere. But I have $100, so I'm gonna go into town and see what I can buy with my truck. So, see, I do think parking brake. So I think this is the parking brake here and 2-wheel drive. So you can go into your third-person point of view and got a shift. So yeah, I'm playing on keyboard, so it's kind of difficult to control, but yeah. I'll probably just cut to what's this little shack thing. Let's see, what French words? Okay, get a potato, I guess. Oh, well, okay. And now we got potatoes. I guess that's good. Sure. Oh. And now we'll drive. Church. I wonder if we can. I don't think we can go in there. The windows don't have any texture. Looks like a store. And also, the windows don't have any tech. Oh. Ooh. I thought I saw something about a big store that you could open, but. Or that was open somewhere in town, but I don't know. Maybe this is it. Decoration. I don't think I need any decoration. Let's see. It's like some kind of wood place over here. I think that this bridge right here leads to like this mainland area. I don't really know much about it, but I know that this is like the town area, and that's like some other place. A good thing there's no traffic laws in this town. Yeah. I did see something in the beginning about something. Oh yeah, that gas station right there. That's where we get gas. But let's see. I have half a tank of gas. Well, I had a gas tank in my shed. I should have brought it and filled it up. But anyways, it looks like this is our gas station guy. Hello, Jasquez.
Hey,
Sure.
hein, fait-tu assez beau il y a
Real
quelqu'un
nice
aujourd'hui? Yes, sir.
Stuff.
Ah, merci d'être venu. Bonne journée.
And who's this guy? Norman.
Salut!
Oh.
Non.
Wait,
Laisse-moi
racetrack.
patience avec la traque.
There is a friendship meter right here where you can get friends. I bet that Norman's the racetrack guy. Yeah, probably. That makes sense. Exhaust. Oh, it's expensive. Window tint. It's expensive. I mean, I'm saying that. I don't really know. Might start making a lot more money in the future. All this stuff's really expensive. I don't know if I want to invest in it right now. We do have a maple syrup meter, I see, so I might as well want to buy a bottle of this.
Ben oui.
Yeah, that'll be nice. That'll be all for today, I think. And time to get back in my truck and see what else there. Oh. Here we go. Oh. Didn't mean to do that. Why does it make it like an electric window sound? So I have a bottle of maple syrup. Tabbed. Oh, tab? That's weird. So I might as well put it in the refrigerator. Oh. Maybe the refrigerator's a little too crowded for this. I didn't know I had so much. Well then, what's in the freezer? Oh, poutine. Of course. I have a basket with stuff. I don't know. Oh. Car meet every night at abandoned grocery store. Oh, that must be the grocery store I saw. What's this? Pizza delivery. Yeah. Mother 555-2109. Okay. I'm assuming that's the phone number. Oh, I'm stuck. Wait, what? So anyways, what was the number again? Like 555-1091.
Ah, si.
Oh, that's not it. 2109. Okay. Alright, that should be our mother. And anytime
Oh,
now.
allô, mon beau garçon!
Oh.
Bientôt, là, je vais avoir terminé de faire le
Alright.
ménage de ta chambre. C'est sûr que si je trouve quelque chose, là, je te fais signe.
So that's it? Alright. Well, I guess she's gonna get something, I guess. I don't know. Here's that shovel that I was talking about. Maybe we could, like, shovel the land and, like, make a farming area. Like, I don't know. Like, oh. So, like, maybe I can come over here and plant my potatoes now. because I didn't really know what to do. So I have 2 because I didn't need the 3rd extra little area, but plant those and I guess those will grow. Might need to water them. I don't know. I had a watering can in here, I remember, so grab it. And I just, well, it doesn't have any water. Can I like put some in the sink? From the sink. Wait. Oh, what? So then I can't do it? Oh. Oh. And oh. So that's good. Those will hopefully grow well. And I will put this back in the shed. Oh, well, I guess not. Wait. In a shed. Alright. I think I'm gonna go and try cutting down trees and chopping them up, and maybe I could find somewhere to sell them. So, like this. There we go. Now I can take these and I guess like split them. Maybe like set them there and like crank it up, I guess. Wait. Oh. Oh, there we go. Now, oh, well, I guess that works. We'll see. I wonder how it fits as a big log. Oh, just last log. Pretty sure, and oh, there we go. Now we can cut it off, and we need to put it all on our truck. Also, make sure we got the parking brake on so the wood in the truck doesn't fall down the hill. Oh. Trolling. Uh oh. And get back in. Alright, now let's go. Don't want it backed on the hill. No, I did not want to do that. I gotta figure out how to flip that back over. In the meantime, that is what I believe to be my brother's house. I'm pretty sure it is. I do know a little bit about this game. Oh, there's a circle. Oh, spark. Oh, I don't know if I could just like take it and haul it over. Like, oh, well, oh, $180. So how much is that per log? Like, I don't know. Like, good bit. Because oh. I only cut down 2 trees, so it's probably a good bit for a log. Oh my gosh. I really need better tires. Oh, uh-oh. Here we go. That was crazy. Oh no. Sure. Oh yeah, this is fine. That's not good. Yeah. What do I do? Uh-oh. Connect it. And there we go. And back in the truck. Get down safely. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. No. No, please don't. Put it in 4. ready. No, not again. I'm in 4-wheel drive, and there we go. Pulled it out. Pretty good. Yeah, I was tired and rusty. Finally made it back. That was crazy. I just wanted to go sell some firewood to my brother. And I said I would run it over with the ATV, but might as well just... Oh, and it fixed itself. Well, no need to run it over at all, I guess. I am running over my crops. Alright. Park it right there. Does seem to be getting a lit. Oh, why do I keep doing that? I want to put it back in 2-wheel. And there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and pack up and get ready to make sure I don't forget anything for tomorrow. So I'll just put this in the trunk. I gotta make sure it runs too. I'll make sure it tomorrow. And I think that's it. Also, I want to try this ATV. Turn it on. And oh, I'm gonna turn the brakes off. So this is nice. And I do think that it has a trailer hitch, so I can pull this thing out of the ditch that it's in. Oh, back here, and pretty sure I just click it, pull it, and there we go. I'm just gonna pull it up to right there and let it off. And I'll give my ATV its own personal ditch to sit in. I think that is fitting. Alright, it was a kind of scary experience. I didn't really like it, but it's fine. See. Oh, that's right. You have to get this generator over here to get electricity. I do think eventually you can get it to the power grid, but definitely not anytime soon. Okay, there we go. We got energy. And the good thing about energy is I can turn on my light and I can save the game, because you have to save on this PC. Also, I should probably drink some maple syrup. That was my first maple syrup that I bought. I'm not gonna drink it. It's special. Probably gonna drink it one day. Oh, sorry. Bottle of coffee. I'm pretty sure that's useful. My golden is now a black, brown color. Save. Oh. Alright. And I think that is going to be the end of today's video. If you would like to see more on bazou, please like and comment below. Also subscribe, it helps out a lot. Thank you, and wait for it.